what we are doing right now is just sizing white gold ring. Got white gold medium solder, white gold hard. So we're gonna do with white gold hard solder. Alright, put a little bit of flux right here. Make sure it's recording. Yeah. You have to be careful with white gold hard solder. Not overheat that you melt the shank. That's it. Just a little bit at the bottom. Alright, the ring is sized. Make sure this is size 6. Alright, that's a size 6 right now. Okay, this ring is sized. The last thing I will do is check all the stones if nothing is loose. They look okay. I don't see any loose stone. What I got next? Alright, that need to be engraved. I will do engraving later. I'm just doing soldering right now. Another rope chain, hollow rope chain. Okay, I'm gonna write down small hollow rope chain. And what the tabs say on it. 10KJLA. And male end. Alright, let's try that. flux. I'm gonna use 10 karat easy yellow. Alright, the chain is done. I put in a pickling for a few minutes. Alright, we need to cut it 6.5, 6.5 inches long. Hollow rope bracelet. JLA. So what is right now the length of it? Oh, 8 inches. Okay, so we need to cut smaller, shorter. First I'm gonna do unsolder from the end tab. Okay, I unsolder it tab. 6.5. Okay, rest of the piece I'm gonna give it back to customer. Same thing we did with the chain. Slide it in. Yeah, these are all hollow chains. Hollow rope, hollow chain. They break so easy and they melt so easy if you're not careful. Alright, done. Alright, 6.5. Put in a pickling. Guess I did a lot of repairs today. Same thing every day. Nothing new. Sizing ring. This is a cubic zirconia ring. And a lot of stones on the side. I think this was 8. I did 6 on that one. Yeah, 5. From 7 to 5. I did puck solder. I did not put any heat because You don't want to break stones, burn the stones, or tarnish too bad, so you don't have to do a lot of cleaning. So I did puck solder, puck welder on that one. Same thing with this one. Sterling silver, size down, two sizes down. All I need to do is polish. Thank you very much. If you like, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel. I appreciate for you watching. Bye bye.